Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here with some fun things for you guys. I've created a Sari Snippet kit and they are only $10. So very exciting. I have 20 of these. So it's going to be first come, first served. There is over 30 pieces in each kit. You will also get this really pretty vintage bag that you can alter, and there'll be a couple of freebies as well. So let me share with you what's in the $10 kit. Beautiful pieces, absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, you get this beautiful vintage bag as well. So that's fun. So these are all snippet pieces. That's what they are, but they're all Sari pieces. Absolutely gorgeous for junk journals. There's beaded pieces. There's silk. And they're a good size. They're a really good size. Some of them are just silk. Some of them have the little pieces on them. Some of them are smaller. Some of them are larger. Some of them are embroidered. This is a collar piece off of one. But they're great. You can make all kinds of embellishments with these for your junk journals, for your fabric and lace books. They're so pretty. This is embroidered. There's pieces like this. Beaded pieces. And like I said, there's over 30, I love that one, 30 different pieces in each kit. So it's a good deal for 10 bucks. You can't beat that. This has pearls on it and I love it. This has purple sequins. They're really beautiful, beautiful pieces. So I hope that you guys will enjoy these. And I tried to keep the price at $10 because, you know, for people who are on a budget, it's 10 bucks and you get to play with some beautiful fabrics and gold lace. Love that. Love it. So really exciting to be able to share a $10 kit with you guys. And yeah, I mean, it's a lot. Look at how many beautiful pieces you're going to get. Absolutely gorgeous and stunning. And you get the bag. With every kit, you will get a free boho tassel. And each tassel will be slightly different, but this will be about the size. It has a wooden bead. It has sari trim and beautiful gold like string, I guess you'd call it, or yeah, yarn. It's a glittery yarn, but it also has sari on it and a wooden bead. They'll all be different colors, so it just depends on which one. This one happens to be lavender and gold and silver, so that one will go with that kit. And the first 10 people who buy kits will also get this. You will get a piece of this gorgeous beaded sari trim that I shared in my other kits. I still have quite a bit of it left, so I've cut 10 more, and the first 10 people will get this as well. So good deal for 10 bucks, you guys. I hope that you really like it. Let me know if you're interested. PayPal only. And you can email me, or you can leave a comment in the description, in the comments down below if you want one, but I have 20. So let me know if you're interested, and I will get them out to you as quickly as possible. They're all ready to go. So thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.